Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to teach you on how to pay off a loan faster. The 5 incredible ways you can pay off your loan faster. Is either your car loan, any type of loan that you are into currently. I'm going to teach you in this video how you can pay off such loan in just 5 incredible ways. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Abraham. I welcome you here. Please subscribe to my channel now and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Let's get started. The first thing to do is to check the description. Check the link in the description. You're going to see a link to my website where you can read an article on how you can pay off your loan very fast. So this is the link here. You'll be redirected to this content. Okay, so this is the content here: how to pay off a loan fast, the 5 best ways on how you can pay off a loan fast. So the first way on how you can pay off a loan fast is to make bi-weekly payments. Instead of making monthly payments towards your loan. Submit half payment every 2 weeks. So that's the first way to pay off a loan fast. That's part of the 5 best ways. So number 1 is to make bi-weekly payments. And number 2 is to round up your monthly payments. Round up your monthly payments to the nearest $50 for an effortless way to shorten your loan. For example, if your auto loan costs you $220 each month, bring that number up to $250. You can see in that way you are paying your loan off very fast. The normal amount you are supposed to pay is $220 each month, but you have increased it to $250. In such way you are paying off your loan fast. And the third way is to make one extra payment each year. If the thought of bi-weekly payment seems daunting, but you like the idea of making an additional payment each year, you can accomplish the same goal by committing to just one extra payment this year. So that's another step to pay your loan very fast. So the 4th best way is to refinance. One of the best way to pay off your loan early is to refinance. If interest rates have dropped since you took out your loan or your credit has improved dramatically, this can be a smart choice for you. Contact Horizon to ask about refinancing. Okay, and I can also help you if your loan is currently with. Okay, and you can just drop a comment leave a comment. I'm going to reply you on the issue you are facing. Just reply anything you have concerning paying off a loan. I'm going to get you the best and the quickest answer ever. So the last but not the least best way to pay off a loan is to boost your income and pull all extra money towards the loan. Any extra money you've got, any gifts, any monetary gift that you have, just put them towards the loan. In such way you are paying your loan faster. So the loan you are supposed to pay for a year or for like 10 years, with these 5 incredible ways, you are going to be paying. You'll be able to pay such loan in just less than 5 years or 7 years. So I hope you have learned something in this video. Okay, if you still want to read more about these 5 incredible ways, just check the description. I've dropped the link to this content where you can read for better understanding. So if you have learned something from this video, if you have gained value from this video, please don't leave this video without liking this video. Share this video to a friend that needs it. Leave a comment, and finally subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Hoping to see you in the next video. Goodbye.